Hi everyone, welcome to my page. My name, some people know me by Andy, some people know me by Boom. Today I'm here to show you the difference between a male lion and a female lion if you plan to keep your family of birds around for a long time. I'm not here to teach you how to create ace. I'm here talking about maintaining a family and based on their performance. These two stags have the same dad, two different moms from the same family. This stag over here is still molting, but you can tell, going close to it, he's gonna have shorter sackle, less feather. This stag's gonna have longer sackle, longer tail. So I did a line breeding of one male and two females from the same family. But in order for you to keep a line going while you're inbreeding and keeping them tight, you need a male line and a female line within the same family. When you're losing performance on the male side, you need to add the female side to it. When you're losing performance on the female side, you need to add the male side to it. You break a family into two different lines, a male line and a female line. That's how you maintain a line going. Some people talk about inbreeding, they talk about brother and sister, but they don't know the difference, what they're gonna keep within the family. And I'm just here today to help explain some of the stuff I've been doing to keep my family of birds going. So the male side will be much thicker, bigger, more stockier. That's when you know you're going towards the male side. They're gonna have less feather. Some of them are gonna have poorer feather quality on the male side. They're gonna be bigger, thicker also. If you're gonna go towards the female side, they're gonna have slimmer body, better quality feather. Sometimes they're gonna be smaller in size, but they're gonna be more sporty. They're gonna carry better feather quality. That's how you know what family of birds you have and which side they're going. This male here is going towards the female side more. This male here is going towards the male side more. But they're in the same family. So this is my experience with inbreeding. When I'm losing the performance, I put the male and the female side together to get that performance again. And then I'll break them up again and create a female-male side, or break them up within the same family and keep one side male, one side female. That's how I maintain a family for a long period of time in my breeding program, and they will still perform the same. So these two stags are from the same family. This one just go towards the male side, and this one is go towards the female side. The male side is more raw power, more gameness, but feather quality isn't that good. They're much thicker like a male, much bulkier, more muscle, more leaner. The gameness is much heavier towards the side as well. You go towards the female side, they're more prettier, better quality feather. They're more sportier. They're much smarter. They're more accurate. But they don't take pain as much as the male side. So you lose things, right? But within a family like this, you can still have all of them if you breed them together. Same thing with this side. So meaning, if you're losing something because they're within one family, you can put them together and they will still produce you what you want. And you don't need to outcross to create battle files. So just some of my tips that I've been learning a long time, keeping birds together, line breeding. So these two are both Brazilian. These two are both Peri-Brazilian. You know, I have broken his family into two families. So now I know what they're capable of. So there's a little video showing people how to maintain a family for a long time without losing performance in the breeding program.